These classic dinner rolls are perfect companion to any meal, and the best part, it does not require any kneading at all. Join me, let me show you how to make these perfect soft and golden dinner rolls. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In a large bowl, we'll be adding 1 cup of warm milk, that is 250 milliliters. Next, we'll be adding half cup of warm water, that is 125 milliliters. After that, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, that is 10 grams. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, that is 30 grams, and then we mix very well until the sugar and the yeast is properly dissolved. Next, we'll be adding 1 egg and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, that is 45 milliliters. Mix very well until it's properly combined. After that, we'll be adding 5 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 600 grams. And then we add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, we mix very well with our hand until a dough is formed. Remember, you're not kneading the dough, you're just mixing all the ingredients together to form a dough. Once your dough has come together, it should have a texture like this. Next, you cover the dough and place in a warm area and allow it to double in size. Once your dough has doubled in size, sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough to it. Form the dough into a ball, then roll out using a rolling pin and divide into 10 equal parts. After that, we'll start working on each of the dough. First, we'll roll out using a rolling pin. Then we roll the dough into a log. We'll be repeating this twice, just like I'm doing in the video. After rolling the dough to the final log shape, we'll be cutting out the rough edges to have a perfect log shape or rectangular shape, whichever one you choose to call it. Remember to pinch the end to seal it. Then place on a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Repeat the process for the rest of the dough. Once you are done with all the dough, cover the pan and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After that, score the dough using a scoring tool. In this video, I'll be using razor blade, but be very careful with it. Use it to make any design of your choice. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And after that, you have yourself these soft and golden, beautiful dinner rolls. We'll be topping that off with a brush of butter to add extra flavor to it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment to encourage me. Also, feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. I would also appreciate if you could subscribe and join this amazing family. If you have any questions or recommendations for me, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be reading it and I'll get back to you. Let me know if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. Also, tell me what you'll be pairing this with, because it goes well with everything, ranging from your morning coffee to your gravy at lunch or even your spaghetti at night. Whatever thing you prefer, this dinner roll is your perfect choice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.